How to make money on Quotex 2024. Trading platforms like Quotex already integrate features that will benefit traders looking for how to make money trading different assets. Although this broker lacks regulation from renowned financial regulators, customer reviews show that trading with this broker is safe. So, if you are looking for options on how to make money on Quotex, the opportunities available could require you to participate in the trading and non-trading fields. But what are these income opportunities, and how do you choose the best? This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. In this video, I will show traders the best ways to make money on Quotex and how to choose the best opportunities. Quotex is a well-known global online broker that provides trading for digital and binary assets. This broker offers a user-friendly website and mobile app, Android, for trading a wide range of trading assets. Hence, it is among the reliable websites that pay traders profits from investments made on the platform. These earnings come from the well-liked methods for making money on Quotex. Let's dive in. 1. Binary trading. Binary trading is a straightforward way to make money on Quotex. Although this method of earning money on Quotex does not involve the complexity of forex trading, traders should be aware that it is risky without a proper strategy. Given its short time horizon, this investment option is a popular means of generating income and, should things not turn out as planned, a quicker way of losing money. This platform allows you to begin trading binary options with a $10 minimum deposit. However, it is recommended that you educate yourself on binary trading before choosing this option. Study trading indicators and learn about risk management strategies and how to apply them. If you are new to binary trading, set aside some time to practice using these features on the demo account before moving on to a live account. 2. Copy experienced traders. Another great option for investors looking to learn how to make money on Quotex is copy trading. This option is open to anyone who wants to trade assets such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities like metals and oils, and binary options in major world currencies. You can skip learning about the trading indicators or creating a custom strategy if you choose the style of making money on Quotex. What you do is carefully select a trader to copy their trading strategy and use the tactics to open trading positions on your live account. To determine which trader is best to copy, consider factors such as trade volume, trader reputation, risk tolerance, and return consistency. Traders with lower risk scores tend to be less reckless and more consistent in their trading. 3. Bonuses. Traders can make money on Quotex using the bonuses available on the platform. While the broker may not allow you to withdraw the bonus immediately after it is given, traders can withdraw the profits they make when trading with these incentives. Among the bonuses offered by Quotex are deposit bonus, 30%. This offer is valid for new customers making their first deposit of at least $100, risk-free promo codes and cashback. Only users who have an active account are eligible for the bonus. Before applying, be sure you have read and understood the terms and conditions regarding the deposit bonus. Before you can withdraw your profits, certain requirements and objectives must be fulfilled. So, ensure you know and abide by these rules to avoid having challenges when you want to withdraw your profits. 4. Affiliate program. The Quotex affiliate program is an example of a non-trading way to make money on the Quotex platform. You must educate others about Quotex and the advantages of trading with this broker to participate in an affiliate program. The broker will provide you with links that you can share with the people you are giving orientation on the services Quotex offers. You get paid if a client signs up, deposits, and trades on the Quotex platform. You can receive up to 80% of the trading fees in addition to 7% of the trading volume of the customer you bring into the Quotex affiliate program. After earning a commission from the Quotex affiliate program, you have the option to select the payment method you want to use to cash out your earnings. Hope you enjoy the video and you will start making money. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.